Okay, so I thought I'd do a real quick video. What I'm doing is I saw online where they had your fittings for your air chucks, where you can mount them to like the bottom of your cabinet or whatever. It came with screws and everything, so you can just hang it in there. Well, they were $50 or $60 for 4. And I bought these at Harbor Freight. I did buy the universal ones because I like them. They can take either fitting, the smaller fittings. But they stay cocked open, and I like that. So what I'm doing is taking one, locking it down inside here. Back this off a little bit. Kind of hard to do one-handed, but we'll get by, I guess. All right. Locking it down. Taking a little bit of tap oil. Put a little bit on tap. Setting the tap up. So it's not as easy one-handed, but tapping it out. You gotta go until it doesn't make any noise. That's when you know you've gone all the way through the tube here with the threads. Right there. It's no longer making the noise. Back it back out. Okay. Now it's all threaded. Then bottom of my cabinet here all the way across, I'm drilling them, I'm reinforcing them with washers, and now I can hang my air tools up when I want it. With the one hand I can pull it out, put it back up in there with one hand. So my more used tools, the impact, my sander, my drill, my body saw, I can do those all the way across there and be all set up. So there it is. Like I said, these are just the main ones I use. I sold a bunch of my air tools when I retrofitted everything over to batteries. So my air compressor, I might have to go over that and show you it. This is the dryer, and right here is the switch, remote switch to activate the air compressor, and it's outside, but I'll go through a video on that. But these here, I love them. It worked out just as good as I hoped it would. One hand, you can get them down, you can put them back up. So they're not taking up a ton of room inside a drawer. I'll have to readjust my pictures back there because I want to be able to see my photos, but other than that, I think it turned out real good. So comment, share, like, let me know what you think, what you got going on.